Hi, this is Guy with Bosch Communication Systems here at InfoComm 2019. I want to show you our new Electro-Voice XLAi Advanced install model. This is our new line array for fixed install applications, our flagship model in a very discreet enclosure, comes in multiple finishes and with a full range of accessories for installation. Compact design of the enclosure enables its use in a wide variety of installation applications. 90-degree and 120 versions are available, white and black, indoor and outdoor, with fully weatherized IP55 versions. Cost-effective rigging kits, 4M10 hard points on each side, and dedicated passive and biamp models. These are two-way models that feature our proprietary Hydra planar wave generators, which result in performance on par with many larger three-way models. These are really offering boutique sound quality at a more accessible price point. They're fantastic line array loudspeakers, and we're showing them for the first time here at InfoComm 2019. You can hear them in the demo room, in fact. So, quick look, XLAi Advanced install. Visit www.electrovoice.com for more info.